Hi, Brad Richardson here with Logic. I'm going to improve your productivity today by showing you how to use Excel filters. Let's take a look. I have an Excel spreadsheet open that shows me project issues. And I want to show you how in any list in Excel to isolate the data. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here and select any of the column headers. Then I'm going to come up, make sure I'm in the Data Ribbon tab. And from the Data Ribbon tab, I'm going to select Filter. And you'll see here I've got a drop-down button on each column header. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, you know what, I want to see only the high priority issues. So select the drop-down, come down and select all, which will deselect all options, and I'm going to select only high. Now it shows me the high priority issues. If I want to go back to my original view, just come to the filter, drop down, come back, select all, say OK. Now I get back to my original view. Now, I can also come up here to priority, and in the search box, I can search a certain field. I can say, I want to look at the low priority. If I say low, it returns that and checks the box. If I press enter, then it only shows me low. The last thing I'll show you is, you can use a combination of filters. So I could say, I want to see the high priority issues, and I want to know the high priority issues that were opened by a certain person. So I come over here, I select all to deselect, then I'm going to choose Lily. I want to see all the high priority issues that were opened by Lily. Now I have a small list of high priority issues that were opened by Lily. Thanks for watching, and have a great week.